Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2022 Lincoln Aviator plug-in hybrid. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you think about our Aviator. Also, don't forget to click on that bell. That'll get you notified about these walkarounds as they're made. We do this to be transparent and show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos and anything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Aviator. So let's go ahead and get that walk around started. All right, everyone. Even though this is a 22, it does have some miles, but that being said, it has good tread on the tires, and it only has a couple of chips, which one there, down here. These are very hard to see because they're black, but they are there and very, very minor. But that is it. As you can see, the finish is in incredible condition. Still say it's above average condition for the miles, even though it is a 22. You don't buy a hybrid not to drive. And this one, even though it has been driven a little over 21,000 miles, it has been incredibly well taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. All right, we're going to show you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is the side of the visors, sunshade and headliner, and then top of the dash. But if you have any questions about the condition inside or out, or maybe some shipping questions, some financing questions, please call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Remember to stay tuned so you can hear the engine running, and join us next time for our next walk around.